Good evening, everyone. I want to introduce you to Sarah, a Dubai-based resident who's looking to renovate her kitchen. She starts where everyone starts. She asks her friends and family, and she goes online to find the right renovation professional. She finds 3, and she's excited to reach out to them, but here comes trouble. The first one doesn't even show up to the site visit. The second one gives her a price that's completely different from the quotation they discussed. The third one doesn't even make an effort and ghosts her immediately. Unfortunately, finding the right professional for a renovation project is a frustrating experience for homeowners like Sarah across the GCC. It really shouldn't be like that. That's why we developed RenovateNow. RenovateNow is the GCC's first and only digital platform where homeowners can upload renovation projects and receive multiple proposals from pre-vetted renovation professionals. Our platform is super simple to use. Sarah simply inputs her renovation goals. She specifies the type of work that needs to be done. She selects the areas that need to be renovated. She inputs her property type, budget, and timelines. And she concludes with her communication preferences. Within 24 hours, Sarah will receive multiple proposals from interested professionals on RenovateNow. She will compare the proposals based on price, timelines, and company profile. She will go on to choose the professional and chat. Professionals have access to hundreds of qualified leads and potential clients at any given moment on RenovateNow. Professionals can send in proposals for free. They only pay when a client accepts their proposal. No cure, no pay. This is how RenovateNow helps homeowners find the right professional for their project. In 2025, in the UAE alone, 200,000 houses were bought. 50% of those were renovated within the first year. This represents a $6 billion market opportunity. Imagine scaling this across the GCC. Today, the platforms decide with which professional a homeowner interacts. It's completely intransparent, full of hidden allocations, and truly a black box. RenovateNow flips the script and provides 100% transparency and choice optionality to homeowners. On top of this, if a professional wants to join RenovateNow and actively bid on the projects, they have to undergo a rigorous vetting process. This is how we maintain quality for our customers. My name is Avi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of RenovateNow. I've spent my career scaling and building digital health solutions that are used by millions of patients worldwide. My co-founder, Mark, has developed startups and have helped them raise over $20 million till date. Our co-founder and market expert, Abdel, is a seasoned contractor and has delivered over 500 home renovations across Europe and the GCC, all with excellent ratings. The appetite for RenovateNow is huge. We've been live for only 6 months and we've already screened and onboarded 75 actively bidding professionals. Moreover, we've helped 500 homeowners find the right professional for their project.